How to find security settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find security settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find your profile. Click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find security. Click on it and then click this one. Here you can manage security settings. You can change your password or login activity. You can manage anything you want. Just click on it and you can manage it. And as you see, that's how to find the security settings on Instagram Lite. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.